Types of volcano. There are several types of volcanoes, classified based on their shape, structure, and eruption style. Here are some of the most common types. Shield volcano, a wide, gently sloping volcano with a broad base and a low profile. Shield volcanoes are formed by the accumulation of many layers of fluid lava flows and are known for their peaceful eruptions. Stratovolcano, composite volcano, a tall, conical volcano with steep sides and a symmetrical profile. Stratovolcanoes are built up by layers of ash, lava, and other volcanic materials and can have explosive eruptions. Cinder cone volcano, a small, steep-sided volcano made up of loose pyroclastic material, volcanic debris. Cinder cones are typically less than 300 meters high and are formed by explosive eruptions. Supervolcano, a volcano capable of producing an eruption with a volume of more than 1,000 cubic kilometers. Supervolcanoes have a caldera, a large depression in the ground, instead of a traditional conical shape. Fissure volcano, a long, narrow volcanic vent or fissure that allows lava to flow out. Fissure eruptions can be continuous for long periods of time. Submarine volcano, a volcano that is located on the ocean floor. Submarine volcanoes can create new islands and alter the ocean floor. These are just a few examples of the types of volcanoes that exist. Each type has its own characteristics, eruption style, and impact on the surrounding environment.